আমি পুলিশ।
তুমি পুলিশ আর আমি চোর। আমি চোর। ডিচকিয়া ডিচকিয়া ডিচকা 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 মরে গেছে ইসান মরে গেছে ইসান ডিচকিয়া ডিচকা সো হে গাইস ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল Ramesh life in another new vlog another new fresh video guys how are you all I hope you guys all are fine today we are feeling also good and you Bhoot. Okay. You are Bhoot. You are Bhoot. Here Bhoot. Here in the camera. In the camera. In the camera. So now he's Bhoot. Isan. Okay, Isan is mad today. He's playing with Narkel Chopra. So this is Ram Mato from West Bengal. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? You do not have class today, Isan? Okay. So guys, this is Ram Mahato from West Bengal, Kolkata. Guys, how are you all? I hope you guys all are fine. Today I am also fine. Today I am making a vlog video to all of you. What is this? To learn spoken English you have to explain yourself, you have to explain whatever you are doing, not only for yourself, you have to explain, whatever you are doing you have to explain in English language. After that your English will be good. I am trying to teach Isan. This is Isan, so I wanna teach to him to learn English language because he is very much actually child. So I wanna help to him actually. What are you doing there? So every day I try to speak with him. I just help to him that to learn English language. And when I come to him, after that I try to speak English language because he is very child, as you can see he's very child. So in the child time, if any language they can learn, because now he can speak Bengali language clearly, but I want that he will speak English language. I want to help to him that to learn spoken English. English is a global language, so I want that he will speak in English language. So if now I can help to him, then he can learn English language easily. What are you doing, Isan? Your mother will scold to you. This is dirty. This is dirty. What are you doing? Your leg, just see, everywhere is dirty, no mud. Your mother will scold you. Oh my god, again you are doing, you have to clean your leg. Okay, don't do, Isan, don't do, Isan, don't do. Your mother will scold you. There where so your leg also is nogra, I mean dirty. Go and clean from here. I'm opening the I'm opening the tap and you can take water from there. Take water. No, do like this. Yeah, okay, it's done. Let's move from here. No, as soon as possible let's move from here. Okay. Isan, you didn't have class today? No. Where? Okay, go there. So guys, this is the thing that I want that this is very young, so he can learn English language very easily. So that's why I want that I want help to him actually. No, this is mine. You can't take this one. You can take this one. Okay, I can give you this one. You want to take this one? Take. Wear this one. Wear. So this is the thing, guys, and if you want to speak English language, then you have to explain whatever you are doing in your life in a day. You have to speak. So this is the thing, guys, and guys, I have forgot to stop the tap, so from here outing the water, so I have to stop that. So now it has stopped. So blog video from Ramesh life. I'll be back in another new English blog video from actually Kestopur, because today I will go to the Kestopur, and after that there is a program. I have told you that in Saraswati Puja there is a program, so we will go there and perform there. So I will be back in another new blog video from Kestopur. I'm in Damdam side area. So this is the update, today's update from Ramesh life. I will be back in another new vlog, another new fresh video. Till then, tada, bye bye.